Hey, fellow traders, reviewing trades for today, January 6th. Today I did a lot of trades, as you see here. We ended up with 2.2K. Let's start from the beginning. Today I have traded QCOM uh, multiple times. At first I did this is the stock on the monthly. I think that this one is gonna go lower eventually. As you see here, it came into these trend lines here on the daily, and now is coming back on. Traded this one over here first as a 5-minute continuation play. So I got in right here, thinking that it had a failure to go lower, and instead tried to go higher. I was up quite a bit, but I was holding on for it to come all the way up here. So instead, it pulled back and I got out for a small loss, as you see here. Then it started to get extended and doing more than it's usually doing in a day. Was also into this resistance over here, these trend lines over here. So I bought puts thinking it's going to go lower, and on the way up I added, and then as I came out I got out for a small profit, for a big profit, which was over here 576. Over here I did what I call a continuation play. I saw that both the market and the stock had a failure to go higher, instead went lower, so I bought puts and I trailed out here for approximately $365 right there. I traded Meta twice, and the first time was a call play. The call was there was down a lot into where it closed yesterday, so I bought calls here and it went up. Then I bought puts. I bought them initially over here, but then I also added on the way up. So when it came down here, I got out for a small loss, which was right here. The resistance that this blue line is pointing out is over here. You see that it's a quite quite big resistance. However, today it went higher, and you'll also see on the daily bar that it has room to go up all the way here. This wasn't a really good play. I did Microsoft, and on Microsoft we did calls today and puts. As you see here, Microsoft went higher and has now reversed and went lower. I tried to do puts right here, thinking that it was going to go lower, but instead, as you see the 5-minute closing in, I bought calls and I got out for a small profit of 215, and also this one was the puts that I got out of minus 61. And in the end, I traded Tesla as my final options plays. And you see here Tesla was a 1.2K gain. What I did was I have a short bias on Tesla. So at first when it came around here and looked like it was going to go lower, I bought puts and I got out for a small profit here as it neared the 9 EMA. Then you see this yellow line, it was rejecting this yellow line. So over here I bought puts, then I also added right here, and as it came down into this 15-minute moving average, I got out for 1.2K in total. We also did 2 stock trades today that didn't that both stopped out. Uh, the, the stock trade was here, entry right here with a stop right here, and it almost gave me my 3R target. However, it came back up and it stopped me out because I moved my stop to my entry point over here. And then we did Google as well, and this one also stopped me out sadly. So I got in right over here with a stop right here, and then when it almost came to my 3R, I took up my stop loss here, and then it came all the way down and took me out. So all in all, a good day. And those were my trades for today. Yeah, have a good day.